How to put your phone number on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll show you the way on how you can put or add your phone number on Roblox. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first things first, just make sure you have either downloaded or updated the Roblox app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in Roblox, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Roblox application, now I want you to basically go over, open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you are logged in, you can obviously see this is how it is going to look like. In order to add a phone number to your Roblox account, just tap on the three dot icon which is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And over here, you want to go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, at the very top, you can see account information. Just tap on it in order to go to the account info page. Now right over here, if I scroll down a little bit, you'll find the section called phone number, and I can easily add a phone number. And in order to put our phone number on Roblox, all I have to do is simply tap on it and then enter the phone number I want to use, and then go ahead and then verify that with the OTP code. You want to make sure that you have access to that phone number. But in your case, let's say that the phone number option is missing. It could be due to two reasons. One is because you might have already added and verified with the email address. That could be the reason why the phone number option is missing. The other is because your Roblox account is most likely underage, so which means that if you're under 16 or let's say 13 or 18 years younger than the normal average Roblox player, then you will not have the option to actually enable the phone number. But just keep in mind that if you do have it, then you just have to tap on the add phone number option and then go ahead and then simply try to verify in that way. But hopefully this video gave you some answers as to how you can put your phone number on Roblox. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.